In our previous class, we have learned about o'clock time. Now we will learn about half past time. Okay. Our aim is to tell the time at half past, and our success criteria is know that a clock is made up of two halves.
Now
No.
the time is red.
Read past the hour. So
Question.
first there
How
are
many
few questions. You have to answer it. I will read the question and you have to answer it. Okay. How many seconds are there in a minute?
60.
60. How many wait. How many minutes are there in an hour?
60.
Yes. How many minutes are there in half an hour?
30.
Yes. How many days are there in a month? How many days are there in a month? Few months have 20, just one month have 28, and few have 30, and few have 31. So we can say that 28 to 31. How many days are there in a year? 365 days in a year. So a clock face is a full circle. Look, this is a full circle. Okay? Sorry. A clock face is a full circle which is made up of two halves. As you look on this line, this red line, it is divided the whole clock into two halves. Like this is one half and this is two half. So we can say that a clock face is a full circle which is made up of two half, not just half. Okay. How many minutes made up half of an hour?
30.
Yes, 30. There are 30 minutes in half of an hour. 30 and another 30. When it is 30 minutes past the hour, we say half past the hour. When the long hand of clock is on 12 and the short hand is on 2, it means there is 2 o'clock. But when the long hand is on 30, it means the long hand cover the distance of half of the clock. So we say half past the hour. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Look at this time. The big hand is pointing at 6, which is half away, because the big hand is covered the whole circle of the clock to make an hour. But it is now at 6. It means it is half away around the clock. When is the small hand pointing? Is it on the number? It's half away between 1 and 2. Okay. When long hand of the clock is on 6, but the short hand is in between 1 and 2. Okay. What time is this clock showing?
11:30.
Yes. Look, there is
The
big hand is on 6. It means the big hand covered the half distance of the clock, but the short hand is in between 11 and 12. It means the short hand is also moving. Okay. When the big hand is on 12 and short hand is also on 12, it means there is a 12 o'clock. Where is the big hand pointing? Big hand is pointing on 6.
Where is the big hand pointing? 6.
Yes. Where is the little hand pointing?
11.
In between 11 and 12. Halfway between 11 and 12. So it is half past
11.
Half past 11. Wait. What do you notice about the small hand? What time is this clock showing? First you have to tell me what time is it, then you have to tell me the what you have seen about the
time is 3:30.
Yes, 3:30. And Do you notice anything about the small hand?
Yes.
Yes, what is?
Once the big hand goes around the whole clock,
Yes.
then it's half past.
Yes. As the big hand on 6,
Six.
short hand is in between 3 and 4.
In
It is halfway between 3 and 4. And the time is 3:30. Now, which clock is showing 2:30? You have to tell me the clock number. On your side, this is a clock of 1, 2, and 3. You have to tell me the number of the clock. Which clock showing 2:30?
This one?
Yes, first one. First one is showing 2:30. And the second one is showing? Which clock is showing 9:30?
9:30 is this one. Third one.
Yes, third one. This one.
And
which
one?
clock is showing 7:30?
The middle one.
Yes, the middle one. So it's all about half past and of an hour.